So now we're driving out of the nice, lovely bush, and look, you pull off the leg.
No, I didn't.
You did.
No, I didn't. I tried to help it out. I didn't. Yeah.
So now we're on our school bus run.
Yeah.
We are giving, well, as you saw before, we were giving out rice, sugar, oil,
Onions
and oil.
Yeah.
And where's the assistant? Assistant.
Yes.
Assistant
She's
is
all the way at the back.
assistant has been hidden.
Yeah.
Yeah. So assistant now is she's heading to school
Yeah.
with her friends.
Yeah.
Say something.
We are going to school, but the way is too far.
It's too far.
Yes, it's too far.
No, but you can walk it.
But no, every day walking, that is not possible.
It's good exercise. You don't need to train.
But we every day, we are going to die.
Okay.
So we're gonna try and see now if we can fix the bicycles at the school.
Yeah.
Because the schools have about 100 bicycles.
Ready?
Yeah. And I asked for donation before to fix the bicycles, but no one responded.
So, liebe Leute, wir fahren die jungen Mädchen jetzt zur Schule, die haben erklärt mal, dass der Weg zum Schule ist sehr weit und in dem Schul gibt viele Fahrräder, aber leider können die einfach, da fehlen die Teile, die Fahrräder mal zu reparieren. Und wir fragen auch da draußen, wenn jemand dem auch Lust hat oder Bock hat, soll uns mal helfen, dass wir einfach auch diese Fahrradteile mal kaufen könnten und diese Leute, diese schöne, süße Kinder mal zu behelfen, pünktlich in die Schule zu kommen, weil Schule ist sehr wichtig. Education is the best and is important. Dass sie in die Schule kommen können, ohne dass sie jeden Tag hier laufen müssen. Sie sind ja auf dem Weg, wie wir fahren mussten.
Hey,
und da
the box
mussten die
open.
Kinder mal schon.
Wait, the box open. Hey.
Sie sind auf dem Weg, wie wir fahren mussten. Das sind die Wege, die
Oh, we got
Kinder.
ripped by the mango tree.
Das sind die Wege, die Kinder jeden Tag fahren müssen, um in die Schule zu gehen. So, in der Schule gibt es viele Fahrräder und wir werden dankbar sein, wenn ihr auch ein bisschen spenden könnt, dass wir auch die mal auch Sachen kaufen könnte, die auch mal das reparieren kann, die Fahrräder. Dann können alle von den Kindern eine Fahrräder bekommen. Ich schaue das nachher, ich war noch nicht in der Schule, aber ich schaue das nachher, wie das mal aussieht und die Fahrräder und dann schauen wir, was für Teilen die brauchen können und ja, dann, wenn ich wieder nach Deutschland gehe, dann schaue ich mal, dass ich dies auch irgendwie unterstütze, dass die Fahrräder reparieren kann. Also Fahrräder haben die, aber da fehlen mal Teilen. Es gibt ja Leute hier in Afrika, die das auch machen können, die können auch Fahrräder reparieren. Die Menschen hier sind sehr intelligent. Leider fehlen die Sachen, das mal auch alles zu machen und schauen mal, was wir machen können. Ich werde mich freuen, wenn ihr uns mal unterstützt und uns dabei auch mal helfen, solche glückliche Kinder. The smile on those faces. Say hi.
Hi.
So I just asked for help to help you guys with the bicycles. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Good. So what is this again with the school and so on? So.
Okay, I was asking her in the local language about how they manage because the first thing I asked her was if they have a senior school here. But she said no, they don't have a senior school here. So what they do is they will either go to the city, otherwise to the nearby village. And if they're supposed to go to the nearby village, they don't have relatives there, so they'll have to be going there every day by foot. In an event that they're late, they'll have to sacrifice their lunch and then pay fare, then go to the school on time. Like she was telling me that sometimes when you leave home around 11 o'clock, going to school, when they're supposed to enter in classes around 1, half 1, is it half 1? They will still be late because of the
walking.
Yeah, because of the way, the distance between their home and the school. Yes. That is what she said. So I think the best thing to do is to try and find a senior school for them here, whereas they will not have to go to the cities or let's say to the nearby village walking to and fro. Yeah. And she also said that like sometimes when they're coming home from school, they're usually scared because of the way the places get dark.
Yes.
And there is no one to keep company, and they're small girls and
Small girls, yes.
they are at risk of rape and all those stuff.
Yeah.
So it is what it is. We are calling on all of you to help us.
Yeah.
You know,
people out there think, and I'm sure there are very good-hearted people out there who are really going to help you guys. Okay, so that we just pray for that. Okay, all right.
Let's talk. You are very stupid. Don't worry.
It's not good. Video como.
Ada sampai pakai baju dia.
Apa kan man?
Dia barang.
Ya jangan lang apa kumya.
Hei, ni bakalang yo. Jangan lang. Mana tak bakalang. Pas. Ada foto ada BN yo.
Mai dia nak keren. Boleh foto.
Mai bena kini orang tak boleh. Kita mau cari dia. Kawan video.
Ini ba? Ini mana aja.
Mau kerja nyang lah.
Arabi tak.
This is the head guy of Gambia school. This is the head guy. This is our head guy of Kamfenda, Ahmadiyya Muslim Basic Secondary School. His name is Tira Bojang. She's eating Ebe, nice Ebe, and she's head guy is very beautiful. This is the Hajang. Jangan dong. Yang kalau kata Islam. Ada. Kalau kante. His name. Jangan jaju. Lu kan harus.
Ini semua. This one. Ada jelang. Mas kada ni ang follow.
Ingin mati korang.
So you guys had fun? So we had the school here and giving out oil and sugar and so on. So what do you think?
I think it really helped.
Yeah.
And a lot of there are so many things to be fulfilled here.
Yeah.
Like the garden that they showed,
Yeah.
the bicycles, the kitchen, especially because there is no hygiene in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And it's really necessary because everybody deserves clean and good food.
Yeah.
Right? So that is why we are calling on to all of you, like Andalusia just said before.
Yeah.
It's not money that helps, it's a big hand that helps.
Yeah.
So we are calling all of you to come help, come one, come all,
Yeah.
and help us out in this mission that we have.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you.
Okay, let them come and then get this in Safa.
Nakala. Mo fundi kodi jalwa mata ko yang ada
In the Caribbean.
Jalo mai da kaina da mana ka
Yeah.
And I don't have to provide
Bukan nyumbang kan untuk badan dulu. Bila aku beli jangsta. Ustaz jalan.
from there up to here. The school is not just moving. Aku mau record lagi. Itu bukan video. Ini benar. Malah benar itu. Ini tak agresif. Ni aja. Mr. Box. Mr. Basli, sorry, Mr. Basli, nice. Model aqui. Eu vou fazer lá, eu vou dar aí vídeo, eu vou fazer lá, né? Eu vou dar aqui. Eu vou dar um vídeo, não tija. Rambas, go and sit down. Eu não vou vídeo. Não vídeo. Tu vídeo aí tu. Rampas. Ngeri rampas. Anjing nga inara kana kabur kaman masa ko hin but sika gire na video ani ni mo ole mi daga honge so ka tani daga man su ada su je sai ko video these people let me pray. Hey
This man is very stupid. You know that? Come. Move forward. 3 minutes. Let me have to go forward. Go forward. If you go forward. These people see him standing there. Please stop being here.